Good morning, guys. So it's been after a long time that I have managed some time for a birding trip. Let's see where to go. So I've started my bike. Cheers to another Sunday. Let's go. Guys, this is my location for today's birding. Let's see what all birds can I find. In my background, it's one of the extensions of the Rukka Dam, and here I will start with the checklist. So there's a very important thing that one has to keep in mind while birding, that he or she should train his or her ears more than the eyes, because you'll have to understand the call of a bird, where it is calling. That way you can just locate the bird, and if you are professional in it, you can identify by the call, and that's the cue that we will have to follow. This is the stretch where I will start my birding. It's a beautiful patch with water body and a small jungle kind of thing. Binoculars are very essential while you are birding, because even if you don't have a camera, you can just spot the bird, identify its features, and just note it down somewhere, so that while identifying it, you can compare it with the very commonest bird you know, figure out the structure, use these as a cue, because it helps to identify the birds while you are new in birding. And one of the most important thing, even if you see a twig or a dry leaf and you suspect it as a bird, then do photograph it, because you never know whether it's a bird or not. There has been quite a time that we miss out many rare birds in front just because we neglect it. Very important thing is to be patient, because bird will eventually get used to your presence and will be comfortable with your presence. So if you don't be patient, then you will miss out on some moments and some behaviors. So if you are on a birding trip, patience is the key. Proper lighting condition is very important while you are photographing birds, because if the sun is behind your object, you won't be able to identify the birds, because there are very small and minute features that categorize birds into different families. So it's very important that the lighting condition is very good. Most important thing that one has to keep in mind is to ensure that they do not play callbacks, because when we play a call, it distracts the birds from their normal activities and they tend to sing or call louder. So it's very recommended not to play a call unless it's very necessary. So right now I have come across a very beautiful spot. As you can see in my background, it's another extension of Rukka Dam, and the place is called Broken Woods. So I can hear swallows calling, and there are different water birds also. So let's see. So I've reached a beautiful place. So this is called Broken Woods. So let's see what's inside.